Hi friends, I hope y'all are doing well. We're going to look at some blends today, and all of our blends have the L in them. So if you look at the screen, we have the BL, which says bl, the CL says cl, the FL says fl, the GL says gl, the PL says pl, and the SL says sl. Now let's take a look at the BL, the bl. If we look at the word blanket and we say the word blanket, it's just blanket. It's not blanket. Sometimes people want to say BL says ball, but then it sounds like there's a vowel in there. Blanket. Is it a blanket or a blanket? Blanket. So that's what we're going to be really stressing today, just getting those sounds together. The CL in clap, clap. So it doesn't say clap, right? It's not call, it's clap. Okay. The FL will say flag. Okay, it's not a flag, so FL doesn't say fall, it says fl. So flag. GL will say gl instead of gull. There's no in between the G and the L. It's not gull. And the girl is happy, so she is glad. She's not glad, she's glad. For the PL, we have pl, like in plain. So again, it's not pol, it's not plain, it's plain. And for our last one that has the L, we have SL for sled. Again, not soled, sled. Okay, so now we're going to look at the blends, and I'm going to say the word with the blend, and you're going to repeat after me. So the first word we have here is blanket. So I'll say blanket, and then you're going to repeat blanket. Okay? So blanket. Now your turn. Right, and we'll do that for every word. Blend. Your turn. Good. Blimp. Blindfold. Blocks. Blow. Blue. Blueberries. Awesome, good job. So we're going to continue with the next blend, the CL, which says cl. Can you say cl? All right, remember, I'm going to say it, and I want you to repeat after me, okay? Clap. Clean. Click. Climb. Clip. Clock. Cloud. Clown. Awesome. All right, let's do the next one. We have FL says fl. Can you say fl? Fl. All right, ready? Repeat after me. Flag. Flame. Flamingo. Flash. Floaties. Do you wear floaties in the pool? Flower. Flush. Fly. Great. Awesome. Let's try the next one. GL says gl. Can you say gl? All right. Repeat after me for each one. Ready? Glad. Glass. Glasses. Globe. Gloves. Gl, gl, glow. Gl, gl, glue. Gl, gl, glum. We're not too happy. You may be glum. Awesome. All right, let's see. We have a couple more. So here's the PL. PL says pl. Pl. Say pl. Awesome. All right, repeat after me. Ready? Pl, pl, plane. Pl, pl, planet. Pl, pl, plant. Pl, pl, plate. Pl, pl, play. Pl, pl, playground. Pl, pl, plug. Pl, pl, plum. Great job. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Here we go. I think we've got one more. Ready? This is SL. SL says sl. You say sl. All right, repeat after me. Sl, sl, sled. Sl, sl, sleep. Sl, sl, sleeve. Sl, sl, slide. Sl, sl, sling. Sl, sl, slip. Sl, sl, slippers. Sl, sl, slug. Very good. Awesome. Well, guess what? You rock. Great job. Well, there's a seesaw activity for you to do, so I can't wait to see how you do on it. You guys are doing great. Keep it all up. A shout out to my friend Lexi. Thanks, Lexi, for subscribing to my channel. Y'all have a great day.